Hello everybody, this is Danny with ParTay. So just wanted to throw out a quick update on the black that I've been working on. So I hate it. I've got very small panels right now, but I'm having to work with those until I can actually get there this evening and try to pick up some larger coroplast again. I'm actually thinking I'm going to try a couple because I've got an additive that's a transparent additive that I might actually try on aluminum. You know, I've talked to the company that makes the, I can't remember the name of it, any Solstice. So kind of curious as to some of the things that they're doing with the aluminum sheets. I'm going to try out some of that. But anyway, this is the black. This is in a room with all the lighting, all the sunshine. You can see it out there. I tested the lux on the screen. It was sitting at 404. So 404 would be like pretty much the brightest room that you would have in a house. Most houses, if you look at design specs, and I think I'll include a link on here that gives people an idea as to what typical room lighting lux is on the walls, irregardless of your color, right? Because you can have a dark wall, but the light hitting the wall is still going to be high. It just doesn't look real bright because it's a darker wall. But the screen's going to pick it up, irregardless, right? Even if it's a black screen, it's still going to pick up the light. Now, it may be able to handle light better, but it's not necessarily just going to make that light disappear. So that being said, 404 lux here is very high for room lighting. It's not, when I say room lighting, I'm speaking in your home, so household, residential, but when you're talking about, you know, more like manufacturing companies, some conference rooms, training centers, usually those are going to be a good bit higher. Now, sometimes they can be up to 400, but at other times they may only reach anywhere between, you know, 100 to 150. Some bright rooms in your house, like kitchens, if you got a lot of reflective surfaces, sometimes you can, you know, very easily reach 200 lux. Once again, this is 400 facing all the bay windows and right at the side here for the side door. And the black screen's holding up very well, and that's with the ultra short throw projector, because bear in mind your angle of reflectivity, you're not going to get the optimal reflectivity back at your eyes. That goes up towards the ceiling. So what you get on the screen is what you got. It's roughly about 1700 to 2000 ANSI that's hitting that screen. It's a black screen. It would require at least 1000 to hold a decent image, you know, on the black screen. But this holds up very well and very inexpensive to make. You know, seriously, a quart of this could cost as low as $15 to $20. So just keep you guys updated, and that's it. Thank you.